Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create step-by-step gradients in Photoshop CC and how to use them. Let's start our lesson by opening a blank canvas to work on as an experiment creating our gradients. You can press G letter on the keyboard, or you can select the gradient tool from the toolbar. If it's not visible, simply click and hold or right click on the paint bucket tool, and then you will see that we've got some more options like the gradient tool. And when it's selected, the new gradient bar here will appear at the top left in the option bar. This displays what colors we'll be using when creating the gradient. Clicking on this will open the gradient editor. We open it, and here you will be able to select from a selection of preset gradients from the menu. Now as I click on each of these presets, for example this one, you will notice now that the gradient bar at the bottom here also changes. This means that the preset gradient has been selected now, and we want to use this preset. Now to use the preset gradient, simply click on it and click OK. Then use the gradient tool by clicking and dragging along the area that you want to apply. Now let's say we want to change the colors of the gradient we are using. We go steps back by pressing Ctrl Z or undo. So to change the colors of our gradient, we need to open up the gradient editor again. So let's click on it. And from here, let's take a closer look. For example, for this preset, let's try it. I want to change any of these colors. Ctrl Z, and we go to the gradient editor again. Now you will see here we've got these small little boxes around the gradient bar. Now these are called color stops, which are a point on the gradient where the color is defined and changes from one color to the next. Clicking on a color stop at the bottom of the bar will let us change the color of the stop using the color picker. So for example, let's say I want to change the color, the blue. I can now click on the color box here, and using the color picker we can go ahead and change it to any color we want. a green color and we click OK. I also want to change the ending color. Let's go ahead and select the ending color. We are going to use the same way. We go and click on the color box and we repeat the same process and choose the color we want. I want the yellow color. Now if you don't want any of the color stops that you have to what you have to do is to click on it, hold and drag the color stop down to remove it. As you see, it's removed. Once you're done, click OK, and now you will see that our gradient has changed in the option bar. Now we can use the gradient by clicking and dragging it. After watching this lesson, you will be able to create and edit gradients using the gradient tool. Thank you for watching this video. If you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe.